Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Those who are coming for the first time, please do subscribe. And for those who are coming back, thank you very much for coming. We are solving trigonometric ratio from Pure Mathematics 1, A level, and we are doing 6A. The question that we have been given is a helicopter flies on a bearing of 80 degrees from A to B, where AB is equal to 50 kilometers. It then flies for a 60 kilometers to a point C. Given that C is 80 kilometers from A, calculate the bearing of C from A. What all is given to me? I've been given, okay, there is no drawing, there is no diagram available, so you need to draw this. Now, helicopter is flying from A to B. So let this be A point. And it is, so whenever I get a bearing, what is the first thing that I do? I draw this. 80 degree. So it will be somewhere here. Okay, this is the place where B is. And this distance is nothing else but 50 kilometers. So AB is equal to 50 kilometers. And what is the bearing? Bearing is 80 degree. This is my bearing. This is 80 degree. It flies for 60 kilometers to a point C. Now from B, it is flying 60 kilometers. I don't have the bearing. I don't know. So that means I'm going to have 2 points where it can travel. So it can be C and C1. Now let's say that I'm talking over here. This is C and exactly opposite is C1. This distance is 60 kilometers. And this distance is 60 kilometers. Given that C is 80 kilometers from A, okay, I've been given this also. This is 80 kilometers. So what is this going to be? This is also going to be 80 kilometers. Calculate the bearing of C from A. I need to calculate which bearing. Let me just change the color. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. I need to calculate this bearing. I need to calculate. There will be two bearing which I will have. This bearing. If you get the drawing right, your understanding becomes very clear. And whenever I'm having a point, so what I'm going to do? I'm going to draw this. Cool? Hope you have understood what I have drawn and how I have drawn. Okay, let's get into the figure. As whatever I have discussed, my image comes like this. I have got AB. I have got AB. I have got AB is equal to 50 kilometers. I have got BC2 as 60 kilometers. I have got AC2 as 80 kilometers. Can I find this angle using the cosine rule? Okay, so let's see. The bearing of C from B is not given. So there are two possibilities for C using the known information, whatever information is given. I'm going to use to find the angle A. will be the same for in triangle ABC. So what is cos of A? Cos of A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon BC. Now what is B? Okay, look at this. This particular number represents me A. This particular number represents me B, and this particular number represents me for C. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to substitute this value and see what do I get. Okay. When I substitute the value, I get this value. And what is this? This is nothing else but cos of A. You can use your calculator and you will get the answer. A is 48.5. Now, this is A. This is what I have got. Okay, but this is not what I am finding. I'm trying to find, what am I trying to find? Calculate the bearing of C from A. I am trying to find this value. This value. And I'm trying to find this value. So what will I do? Okay, I can write this as 80 minus 48.5. I will get this angle. And then 80 plus 48.5. I will get this angle. Okay. Am I clear? Now you may be probably asking me, sir, where did you get this 40? See, look at this. What is this angle? I have found this as 48.5. And what is this total angle? This total angle is nothing else but 80. So that is how I'm getting both the bearing. Most of the kids will stop after doing this. Please don't make that mistake. Read the question very carefully and understand what is given to you. And my answer is the bearing of C from A is 128.5 or 31.5. Hope you are able to understand. Okay. Like, share, subscribe, and come back to the channel. We will be solving many questions from exercise based. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day.